Now that your Shopify account is created, before you add any products, we need to fully set up your store settings. This step is important because it controls how your store runs, how you get paid, and how customers see your business. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. We'll start with store details. Make sure your store name, email, and business address are correct. This information is what Shopify uses for everything behind the scenes. Next, go to Payments. This is where you set up how you get paid when customers buy from your store. Click on Shopify Payments and follow the steps to connect your bank account. Make sure your details match exactly to avoid any issues. Now go to Shipping and Delivery. Here you set where you ship from and how much you charge for shipping. If you're just starting, you can keep it simple and use basic shipping rates. Next, check checkout settings. Make sure customer information like email is required because this helps you track orders and build customer relationships. Then go to Taxes and Duties. Shopify usually autofills this based on your location, so just double check everything is correct. Finally, go to Notifications. This is where Shopify sends emails to you and your customers about orders. You can leave this as default for now. Once all of this is done, your store is fully set up and ready for products. And now you're not just building a store, you're building a real business system. In the next video, I'll show you how to add your first product the right way so it actually sells.